Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amy and I love to talk about beauty products of every kind, from makeup to skincare to even supplements, which is what I'm talking about today. So I do want to give you guys a full review of my Hum nutrition vitamins that I've been taking. And I know you guys have spotted and heard me briefly talk about different supplements that I've been taking and you've asked for my review, but of course I want to be really thorough when it comes to supplements. I want to take them all. I want to actually go through the experience and see if there is any feedback that I can give you. And I feel like reviewing supplements is one of the hardest things because a lot of times it's hard to see the results, especially in a shorter period of time. A lot of times it takes months to really see the results that you need to know if it's really working for you. But I feel like finally I have used some that I'm really happy with and I want to give you my thoughts on, and I'm going to give you guys the full review, pros, cons, the good, the bad, and what I think might work for you depending upon your concerns. I do have my phone to kind of like fact check a little bit and make sure that I remember all the details about these supplements, but I will have everything linked below, each supplement that I talk about and the Hum website in general, just for you guys to check out if you'd like to. So first we're going to talk about one that I was really excited to use. This one is called Arctic Repair. It is shown to rejuvenate the skin and reduce wrinkles, which honestly, I don't have a lot of existing wrinkles, but I definitely want to prevent fine lines, wrinkles, signs of aging, and you know, they start to creep up on you even before you think that you really need to worry about it. They're already starting to show up. So I definitely was super interested in this one. So this is what it says to do. It reduces wrinkles, repairs signs of aging, increases skin hydration, elasticity, and density. This one has lingonberry seed oil for omega fatty acids and vitamin A. It is vegan capsules as well, in case you're interested in that. This one also has omega-3, omega-6, omega-9, vitamin E, vitamin A, so many good ingredients in this. So I promise you guys this year my reviews are going to be more concise, and I feel like this has really surprised me that I've taken this and actually seen some results. So I do want to tell you guys, my skin type is typically pretty dry. I can be a little bit combination, a little bit of oil in the T-zone, but for the most part I am on the drier side, and I've been using these during the winter months where my skin is typically so dry that I'm like dying to add hydration. I will say though that I feel like my skin has been less dry throughout the winter. I have not become oily by any sense of the word. I still provide my skin with a lot of topical hydration. I also try to drink a lot of water. That helps as well. But I can definitely tell a difference from one winter to the next using this, having not used it in the past. My skin has felt a lot more like resilient to cold weather, and it's been pretty cold even here in Alabama, and I'm used to a very humid, warm climate, and my skin is still typically dry with that. So you know, in the wintertime I get drier and drier, but this is my bare freaking skin. This is me with no makeup on. I wanted you to be able to see the real tea, what's going on my skin, and I feel like my skin looks better than it has maybe ever. You know, I feel like I look back to like my 16-year-old skin and I don't see that much of a difference, honestly, and that's amazing. I feel like my skin still feels really supple. My skin definitely has like a little bit more bounce to it. Using these supplements, I feel like it's made a difference. That's the thing that I've really seen, is the hydration in my skin is noticeably better. And considering that typically in the winter my skin would be getting drier and drier, my skin has actually been less dry than normal, and it's been really amazing. I will definitely be restocking myself on this. I do not want to go without this product, and I started this one without starting any of the other supplements. I wanted to really try this by itself because I was so intrigued to see what are the results of this supplement alone. So I actually used this without taking anything else, just my normal multivitamin, and I used this and I actually really love it. I'm surprised that I can see such a difference, and I feel like the more that I use it, the better my skin will be. Next, I want to tell you guys about the Collagen Love supplements. So if you don't know, collagen is something that you really need to ingest to see the full benefits of. Collagen applied topically on the skin really doesn't sink in that well. It doesn't provide you with those like really long lasting results, but ingesting it can make a big difference. So again, I'm going to go in here and tell you guys the full spiel because I want to make sure I give you the right information. So this one claims to minimize fine lines and firm skin. It has ingredients that protect the skin and repair it. It has collagen peptides, obviously, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. So you can tell that is like a powerhouse of ingredients in skincare. It also has some other ingredients like red wine extract and grapeseed extract. So it's got a lot of really good ingredients. And I have to say, I have used a powder collagen in the past that I've liked, but I feel like for me this works a little bit better because this is collagen, but it also has those other ingredients like the vitamin C, the hyaluronic acid. So basically I'm putting those great ingredients inside and out because I use products that have the vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid topically on my skin. But I don't know, I feel very confident in my skincare doing it from both sides, you know, inward and outward. And I do have to say that the collagen overall, I can tell when I take it versus when I don't. My skin definitely feels like supple, again hydrated using this as well because I did start this after finishing the Arctic Repair. I feel like ingesting collagen should be a staple in your skincare routine if you're serious about preventing signs of aging, having bouncy, firm skin. I feel like it's one of those that you definitely need to have in your routine. There are also a little bit of overlapping benefits in these, but I do feel like both of them do their own thing, and I feel like the combination is going to be amazing. Definitely want to keep both of these in my routine. Again, with this one, the Arctic Repair, you're getting more of the omega fatty acids, but with the collagen, you're getting collagen, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and I definitely want to continue to use both of these. I don't really want to go without either one. I know maybe I'm overdoing it a little bit, but I just feel like my skin, again, is looking so good, and I've been so confident lately. I've actually been going to work, and I work in a makeup store with no makeup on and actually feeling really comfortable in my skin. And that used to be something I was never able to do. When I was younger, before I really got into makeup, I would wear foundation, a pretty heavy layer of foundation. In fact, even if I wore nothing else, because I was so self-conscious of my complexion. And even now, like, granted, I don't have the perfect porcelain skin, but my skin is a lot more even. I don't feel that I look dry. I don't look drab. I feel like my skin looks brighter, and overall I just feel like my skin is looking so much healthier. Like, I've got a glow to my skin looks hydrated, my complexion is more even as well, and I honestly feel like these supplements have been helping a lot. So for me, I'm gonna stick with them. Those are just my thoughts, obviously, and you can check those out below. Another one I've been taking is the OMG. This is Omega the Great. This one supports an even skin tone, a healthy heart and body. So this one is fish oil supplements, and I'll tell you guys, I've tried to take those in the past and I couldn't deal with it. I don't eat seafood. Like, I know maybe that sounds silly, but I don't eat seafood of any kind, so the thought of having a fishy taste in my mouth would just be something I absolutely could not deal with. But this absolutely does not have that. I was so amazed. Before, like, the thought of taking fish oil, I was like, no, absolutely not. I can't do it. I know it's good for you, but I can't do it. But this one, there's like no taste with it whatsoever. And even if you like start burping up if you're drinking like carbonation or something, still not an issue. And I was so worried about that, but I had none of those issues. So again, brightening and evening of the skin tone. This is the only product that I've been taking that really claims to even the complexion. And like I said, I usually have very like splotchy, like pink patchy kind of skin. I call my skin baby pig pink, and that's because I always have like this like weird uneven flush to the skin, and I just thought nothing would ever help with that whatsoever, but I do feel like it's helping. You guys can be the judge. You've probably seen me without makeup before. If you're not new to my channel, if you've watched my other videos, you've probably seen me without makeup, and I feel like my complexion is getting progressively more even. You guys can definitely weigh in and let us know if you're seeing that as well. So again, this is omega-3 fatty acids. It has skin healing benefits, and this is an ultra pure fish oil. It has different types of fish oils, and it has vitamin E in it as well. And like I said, there is no negative taste whatsoever. I drink this with just straight water, and I don't have to like drink anything afterwards to mask any taste. There's really none. So I love that this one is really good for your whole body. Fatty acids are really good for your brain, for your heart, for your entire body. So definitely something I would incorporate in just your regular health routine. Even if you're not someone who is concerned about aging so much, but you want to take care of the inside of your body, then this one is definitely the one for you, because we all need to take care of our hearts and our brains and our whole body. So get you some OMG, make sure you're drinking plenty of water, and it's taking care of, you know, the health of our bodies, which is so very important. And I do want to tell you guys about one more. Now, Hum actually sent me those 3 to use and see what my thoughts were. They asked for a completely honest review, and I'm not being paid to review these, just so you guys know. They just sent me the product and ask for my thoughts. But this one I actually had purchased on my own previously. This is the Beauty Z's, which has melatonin in it. And if you are someone like me who suffers with anxiety, I usually have like this really mild anxiety, but sometimes it flares up to a point where I cannot go to sleep at night, and this has made all the difference. So I take this as needed. You don't have to take it every day for it to work, but when I'm feeling a little bit more anxious, like I won't be able to fall asleep, if I just want to relax my mind and go straight to sleep, that's what I take. And this one just has B6, calcium, and melatonin. So there's nothing crazy in this. It says to take this 20 minutes before bedtime on an empty stomach, and I can honestly say I feel just very relaxed and like I'm ready to go to sleep, versus when I have anxiety before and I'm not taking anything in the past, I would literally lay awake and give myself a complete anxiety attack or just not be able to sleep basically all night, and that's worked wonders for me. So if you're interested in a melatonin supplement that will help you go to sleep easier, or you just want to be able to relax your mind before going to sleep, I feel like that has done a really good job. And again, they did not send me those. I've purchased them in the past and just thought that I would share that with you guys. So those are the 4 that I've been taking most recently. Personally, I'm really excited to maybe try others as well, but I do feel like these 2 guys need to be a part of my every single day routine. This Arctic Repair, like, I feel like it's done wonders for my skin, and the Collagen Love too, of course, and I feel like the combination is going to be like a powerhouse for my skin. And yeah, I don't know, I'm happy with my skin the way it is. I love makeup, I love wearing it, I love the self-expression and the artisticness of it and the confidence that it brings me, but I like using makeup for those reasons and not because I feel like I need it. And I don't really feel like that anymore. I feel like my skin is, you know, it's good the way it is, and the makeup is just an accessory to that. So I'm really happy with everything. I will have each product linked below so that you can go and read more into them. They have a full ingredients list. You can look at reviews of other people so that you're hearing it from more than one person. There's so much information out there. So I definitely want you to be able to go and read up on it if you are interested. And after using these 2, I will gladly go and spend my own money and repurchase. I have no problem doing that. I honestly think they're amazing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, and if you guys happen to purchase any and use them, let me know. DM me on Instagram or tag me in a post, your before and after, whatever it may be. I really want to know what your guys' results are as well. I don't know, it's exciting because I've had such good ones. I hope you guys do as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys again, and I will see you really soon in my next one. Bye!